Hello from Ayur Siddhi. Today I have brought you the Women Health Kit for the daily life, or we can call it Daily Health Kit for Women. It contains 10 ingredients which will be very helpful for the complete well-being of the women. From the morning till night, there are various steps which has to be taken care of in the women's life. So I have one of the product which will contribute to the such a care. See, we'll be starting with Kavala Yoga, which is for the oil pulling. We have medically prepared this. If you do this every day, you can avoid thyroid diseases. And the next is Yavakalpa, which will be very helpful for the water regulation, which is very important for the hormonal regulation in the body. And then the third product is Rakta Shuddhi, which is for the blood purification. You need to take this product only once or twice a week according to the system. Like the fourth one is Poshak. The Poshak is very useful for the calcium maintenance and also other nutrient balance in the body. And the fifth one is Siddhikalpa, which is very helpful for the weight regulation and also for the hormonal regulation in the body. And the sixth one is Koshta Shuddhi, which is very helpful for the gut health in the body, which will promote the absorption of pre and probiotics and the balance in the gut health. And the seventh one is Abhyanga Thaila, which is for the maintenance of the skin. If you apply this every day and have a bath, the skin texture will be very nice. You can avoid wrinkles, pigmentation and various other issues. And there are other two products. One is Tambula Kalpa. The Tambula Kalpa will act as a mouth freshener, which is very much refreshing and also very helpful for the maintenance of the tongue health. And the last but not the least is the Nishikalpa. This, when it is taken at the bedtime, will be helping you the maintenance of circadian rhythm, which will take care of the natural detoxification every day in the night, which happens, and the hormonal secretions which happen in the midnight according to the nature will be very much stimulated and corrected by this. These are very much authentic Ayurvedic formulations, mainly nutrition based or devoid of any side effects and very cost effective. It will come with a free consultation of mine, which is total 10 products, will be priced at 2000 rupees. Very reasonable. For 1 month it is 2000 rupees. You can avail this with my consultation directly offline or online consultation you can take, and you can get it done so to you, or you can get it through parcel. You can contact us for the further details. Thank you.